Hey friends, it is me, Stace. Today is Sunday, July 26th, 27th, not quite sure. Either way, I'm in the den. Now, if you've seen any of my previous house tours, you've seen this large built-in media center with the barn doors. I really do like this unit. However, after living here and, seeing it every day, it is becoming very cluttery. You can see down there where the TV is, the two shelves. I just have stuff there that really has no meaning. It's just there because I have a hole to put things in. Behind the barn doors, there's 4 cubbies behind those. And again, it's just stuff shoved there. And then since I swapped the furniture out, the Christmas tree has to come out of here. There's no room in the front room for it. So for that to go out here, the only place it can go is in front of this barn door or that barn door. I don't really like it in front of the barn doors. It kind of just blocks everything. It makes it, if you're sitting over there, it makes it hard to see the TV or whatever. So the past month or so, hubby and I have been discussing taking the media center out. And yesterday we came to the conclusion it's probably the best choice for us is take the entire media center out. So let me show you what's behind here. All right, so this is the one barn door. So behind here we have these 4 cubes. And you can see it's just random stuff. Like I have my Project Life things there, household files, taxes, and just miscellaneous stuff is in there. So taking this whole wall out, because you can see there's a wall here and there's a wall up there, a little wall. This is kind of built in. All that's going to come out. So I'll show you over here. This is what hubby did yesterday behind this barn door. He took that entire thing out. And we gained about 2.5 feet of floor space. You can see it's a wall. It's sheetrock, which I was really happy about. It's obviously not spackled or painted, but I'll probably go with chair rail, because if you see over there on that wall, the two-tone, we have chair rail there. I might go with chair rail over here just to avoid spackling those seams, and all I have to do is spackle all the holes and of course the corner pieces. But this is the TV cabinet. It doesn't go all the way across. So because there's no carpeting there, obviously the flooring has to get replaced. We were going to go with the same flooring we have through the kitchen and dining area, just kind of bring it through here. But because of the girls, as you can see, they're both on the couches, with Dinah with her bad hip and her bad knee, I'd rather have her when she jumps off land on carpeting. Even if we had flooring down with a rug, it's still not enough, I don't think, for her to jump off, And then plus they road race in here and they play and whatever. So I want this to be as comfortable as I can for the girls, and obviously safe. So we made the decision to go with carpeting. So the first thing we need to do is take the entire unit out of there. Then I obviously have to come back in and spackle and sand. And then that'll be, I was going to leave that top ledge in because it'll be easier, but I think it'll look funny having just that top piece in. So the whole thing will be pushed back. So once it's all spackled and sanded, then I paint. Now, the paint color I go with, I'm not sure, because this is two-tone here with the gray. That gray is the same color as our kitchen. I do want to have this kind of be separated. And we don't have enough of this house paint color to do this whole room, because it'll probably need a good 2 coats, especially back there. It's going to easily need maybe 2 or 3 coats back there. So I might do chair rail all the way across to kind of match that. Plus it'll hide that center seam of sheetrock back there, so it's one less seam I have to worry about. I was gonna go with like a brownish color, like a creamy brownish, like almost like the color of Harley, or Dinah. Dinah's a tad bit darker. Maybe the color of Harley, but we have brown furniture, and I could always, because when we had the other set out here, we had the couch, recliner, and the chair out here in this space as it is. This is going to give me an entire wall, right? So I can bring the other set out here, and it would fit better out here because there's more space out here. It wouldn't be as cluttery as it was before. Or I can leave this set out here. I can bring the other set out here and still have the tree out here and still have the TV. Of course, the TV has to go on a TV table or TV stand, which is fine. I do have a few on my Amazon cart that once we narrow that down, we'll go ahead and purchase one. But I think I'd rather have the TV on a TV cart versus because it eliminates all that clutter, So, I don't know what we'll do. If we're going to keep this set out here or bring the other set back out here. But either way, once this is out, I will spackle, sand, and then take all the trim down, because I'm not going to cut around any of that stuff. Take the baseboard all out, because all that would get replaced. And then Also these, the mobile home is 99% tape and texture, which means you don't have them trailer strips, but in certain areas like right here, you do have one. They'll all come out because I'll be spackling anyway, so I'll spackle that, sand it, you won't even know it's there. So I'll spackle, sand, and then paint, and then once all that is done, then we have the carpet guys come in and put the carpeting in. Hubby and I can't do carpeting by ourselves. That's one thing we probably could if we tried, but I'd rather have somebody else do it for us. So, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how that looks. I'll share with you guys on my community tab here on YouTube. I'll share with you some pictures I take of the process, but I don't think I'm going to miss it. I don't, because again, all it is basically, it's obviously it's the focal point of this space, but it's also very cluttery. It's dark, so it shows the dog hair. I'm not going to dust today, and in a few hours it'll have dog hair all over it. So I'd just rather have that whole cluttery mess be gone. I think it'll look a lot cleaner without that in here for me. All right, friends, that is it. I'll check back with you guys once we get farther along. I'll share with you again. I'll share with you guys pictures on my community tab here on YouTube. When it is all done, I'll probably just do a whole house tour so you guys can see everything. And again, this furniture may be out here, and it may be the other side out here. I'm not quite sure yet. It depends on how the space looks when we're done. All right, my friends, that is it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.